implement in our first initiative. Because it's a club and we'll carry forward it means for a long time. So we'll do that.
So, but the question arises, their annual income, what they get is not that much sufficient that they can have a hygienic food.
That is the problem, no? पहले तो पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी ऐसा.
Buying a burger is lot more cheaper than buying a stable midday meal.
No, it's not really that. Buying a burger is more stable than a. In this segment of society.
Basically about taste only.
No. When the burger example what I am giving you is not relevant to these people. That is to a higher segment of society.
Yes. So when we go to the lower class, even consider our village. In those society areas, they just have a meal with 2 chapatis or something which they can earn. They just don't have the income. How can they have a bowl?
So they are not they are providing them the food and they just want them that they should follow the good habits like
counseling people means they should implement it on their
not proper. So what should we do? At least one meal let them eat properly. Okay, that is the focus. So the focus is how to improve what we are able to do. Now what we are able to do itself we are not able to. There are many roadblocks, है ना? So how to correct those roadblocks?
And the second objective is that you are going to school to get the education. That is one part. And suppose if you had eaten something or you got the meal, means you are a healthy person, healthy student is going to the school. Then what? Now the reception power it will improve.
That I will show you what is the other purpose. We have a presentation. So we can show the presentation that will give you an idea of the other aspects of the midday meal program.
So what's the power consumption? Actually it requires a large amount of power. It could be required.
No, it is not. Our kitchen is not based on power. It is our cooking is basically by steam, and the steam is generated by a diesel boiler.
Yeah, I've seen a diesel plant was there.
There is a diesel boiler, yes. So yes, huge amount of diesel is consumed. But our consumption of, like for example, if you see why we are using diesel boiler is basically like any amount of, say we are cooking around say 25,000 meals. 25,000 meals per meal, our cost of the meal per child is around 8 rupees. Okay, so today 8 rupees is a very nominal amount for a full meal of rice, dal, sabji. So we have cut the cost basically because of using because it's technology driven, and it is production of volumes. When you build in scale, when you cook in scale, your price comes down. So that's the idea.
से क्लियर हो जाएगा एक बार सर से भी पूछना सर मतलब यहाँ बेसिकली who funds all these activities
वो मैं आपको जो है बता दूंगा किस तरह से फंडिंग होता है. जैसे कि मैंने कहा ये एक बच्चे के लिए जो है करीब 8 रुपया लगता है, उसमें जो है करीब 4 रुपया. इट्स अ पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप बेसिकली दिस प्रोग्राम. So midday meal program is a government program which Akshay Patra is actually implementing. Okay, so from the government grant we get about 4 rupees. Out of 8 rupees from the government, we get around 4 rupees.
Government means Chhattisgarh government.
It's actually central government, but central government gives it to the state government, because the state government is actually the implementing agency. And state government has outsourced this work to say Akshay Paksha. You come to know there is a vacancy. Suddenly you will say, "Hey, my friend, Ajao."
Please give the news and paper for vacancy.
I don't even have to do that. I don't even. Like for example, you are working with us, so you know that one accountant has left the job, so there's a place for an accountant. What you will do? You go and tell her, "Yaar, आ जाओ जल्दी आ जाओ, तुम्हारा biodata दे दो." So largely it is in most company it is happening like that. But when we find that we require more, then our HR is that, then we will put that. Yeah.
So how many workers you have?
Like totally we are 100 people who are working.
100 people are.
Out of that, unskilled will be around 50%.
So what's the salary for skilled labor?
Skilled labor anywhere from 7,500 up to 15,000-20,000 also we pay.
They are also providing residential part also.
For the
Few
workers.
workers are inside your campus.
Yeah,
also.
inside the campus. Few work. Because our work starts early morning at 4 o'clock. And sometimes the shift is there, full-time work is there.
And when your vehicles depart from here, carrying the food material?
From 7:30 in the morning. There are two shifts. Some schools lunch break is 10:30 in the morning. Some schools जो अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्कूल होता है वो सुबह 7 बजे शुरू हो जाता है और 12 बजे 12:30 बजे को बंद हो जाता है। वो उस तरह के स्कूल 10 बजे को है लंच ब्रेक। And some schools are from 10 to 4. Their lunch break is at 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock.